Hello, ChoroQ bus collectors. We got another one here today, although frankly I'm not sure what it is. I took Google Translate and it always comes with three definitions. But these photos said Toyotetsu bus, and it's part of like a railway system or something. That's what something on here said, railway, and it's a non-step bus of some sort. But anyways, it's supposed to look like this photograph here, and so that's what makes me think, it could be similar to these. And then, yeah, alright. Let's take a look. Plastic. Yeah, it might actually be this bus. Did I guess right? Well, no, I didn't, but this thing has got a big ecology bus written on the side of it. And different stripe patterns. But this one here looks like it might have that ecology thing on it. Alright, we're just gonna have to look at the thing on its own. No photos to compare to. And it's nice that this actually has bus wheels, so that's really cool. And then there's some depth and detail to the windows here. It's not just flat, so that's kind of nice too. The tampo printing is great. The headlights are molded and painted. Same with these little fog lights. You got a printed on license plate, which is cool. This little step down of the window is nice. Some mirrors, that's rare on a Choro-Q. The route number is tampo printed. This thing as well. This thing's got raised wiper blades. That's also rare for a Choro-Q. And then we actually have this cool detailed air conditioning unit, so that's nice. The doors are on this side, and a little bit of molded detail there. The route. Alright, so even the taillights, I can feel bumps there under the paint. So a little bit of molding back here, and then tampo printing everywhere else. License plate looks good. This is a cool bus, a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Alright. How old is it, though? 2004. Alright. Well, what's going on here? There's like green here. Why would that be? Well, it's part of the interior. Oh, I see. Because there's actually stairs, I think, coming down here. Right? Then you can see some seats back there. A little driver thing here. Alright. Pretty neat. I'm not even going to modify it because the stance is pretty good. The wheels look like bus wheels. So let's compare it to a couple other buses then. Alright, I'm going to pull out some buses with air conditioning units. Here's a CNG bus. I don't know where it is from or anything like that. I know almost nothing about these buses. Oh, I put on backwards. Here's a Hino Poncho. This one I do recall the name of. Nice molded details on this, the tops of all these things. And then this last one, boy, I don't know what kind of bus it is, but it's for the Spa Resort Hawaiians. So nice molded fronts on all of them. The rears, though, I think some are lamer than others. Not much molded detail, just printed details. Just printed details mostly. This one's got molded details. But all of them have pretty nice tops, with various molded details. Okay, so that'll do for today. Put next to a Godzilla. So it was a pleasant surprise. This is a pretty cool ChoroQ bus. Hopefully you can track it down yourself if you like collecting these sort of things. There's also even silver here for the backside of the mirrors. Yeah, again, that's really rare for ChoroQ. Well, thanks for watching today, and I'll catch you at the next bus station.